Alright, we've covered a lot about what ashwagandha is, what it does, and when to take it. Now, let's get down to the practical stuff. How do you actually take ashwagandha? It's a great question because knowing your options makes it much easier to incorporate into your daily routine. The most common way people take ashwagandha is in capsule form. Think of it like any other supplement pill. The ashwagandha powder is simply put inside a capsule, and you swallow it with water, just like you would a vitamin. This is super convenient, as it's tasteless, easy to measure, and you can just pop it quickly. It's probably the most popular method for a reason. It's fuss-free and straightforward. But maybe you're not a fan of pills, or you prefer a more traditional approach. Well, ashwagandha often comes as a powder, and this gives you a bit more flexibility. You can absolutely mix this powder into a drink. You can stir it into plain water if you don't mind the taste, which some describe as earthy or slightly bitter. To make it a bit more palatable, many people mix it into something richer. Traditionally, it's often blended with ghee, which is clarified butter, or with milk. Mixing it with warm milk, perhaps with a touch of honey, can create a soothing drink, especially if you're taking it in the evening for relaxation. Honey itself is also a popular choice to mix with the powder, as its sweetness helps to balance the earthy flavor. Less commonly, you might find ashwagandha in tablet form. These are usually just compressed versions of the powder, similar to capsules but without the outer shell. While they exist, capsules tend to be more prevalent in the market. So, when you're thinking about how to take it, consider your preference. Do you want something quick and tasteless like a capsule? Or would you prefer to incorporate it into a warm drink, perhaps as part of a calming evening ritual? Both methods deliver the ashwagandha to your system. It just comes down to what fits best into your lifestyle. Just make sure you're following the recommended dosage on whatever product you choose.